Yo, YouTube, welcome back to the Bit Finance channel. My name is Zay. On this channel, we talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins. We look at the S&P 500 as well. We tap in to see, what's going on in the markets and ways just to make money. Today is Friday, May 23rd, 2025. It is currently 8:19 a.m. and Bitcoin is sitting at $108,000, right? The beautiful thing about where price is at now, we were able to break through resistance here around the 106.6K area. It looks as though we broke out, and now we're getting somewhat of a retest here on the daily. As you can see, so far we've came back down, and it looks as though we're testing this area. This is my key area right here to, enter in basically. It's not enough of the Ichimoku cloud on the daily, but on the 4-hour, this area right here does serve as a good support area. So if we are able to, come down even wick below and then continue pushing forward, I think that would be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. One of the biggest things that I'm waiting for right now is just confluences and price action. Technologically, we are sound. Why we dropped down, but we were able to recover and break all these lower highs right here. All of them have been broken, meaning that we are now in a uptrend, and we are continuing our bullish structure, right? So if we continue pushing forward, this is only going to give us the opportunity to make more money within the market after we test key areas such as one we're approaching now around the 106.6K area. So just by looking at it on the daily, I think that's really good. If we scroll over here to Ethereum, we are rejecting right now rejecting off of our resistance area around 2.7. Around 2.7K. We can come back down and test this mid range right here around 2.4, but if we can't hold this, we'll ultimately come back down, I believe, to 2.1K, right? If we're able to grab some support here, we'll continue pushing forward, and I think that'll be bullish as well. A similar thing with Solana, and I would say Doge as well. It looks as though we're just coming down temporarily, but we're only setting up for a bigger move. This makes me question, the ETH to BTC chart, meaning that, okay, we came down, we tried to test this area, we might fluctuate some more here and consolidate, or we might push down a little bit more. But nevertheless, I think this move right here gave the indication that alts are gaining somewhat of interest as far as some strength in the market, right? So that's currently what I'm looking at right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but here it is. Right, and I'm just scroll back here because now we are really retesting this area. Now I'm gonna tell y'all something. At this point right here, this is where I wanted to jump in, right? But I knew it wasn't the best thing because I didn't have enough bounces and confluences at this area and candlesticks or price action. So now if we come down here wick below and then build some solid 4-hour candles, I think that is extremely bullish, and I'll be definitely looking to enter into the market. But nevertheless, this is just where we're at right now. The S&P tested this area right here, our support area here at 5.8K. It will be interesting to see if we continue to push down. If we push down, we do have some support mid-range right here around 5.7, but we also have a bigger support here around 5.6, which is a key area for us. So, Friday is an interesting day for us today, and we'll just continue to see how price is going to move. But that's honestly really all that I have today. Just be, on the lookout for price structure or market structure to continue to do what it does. If you see any building of confluences, then you probably know what to do. But I'm not a financial advisor, so I really don't recommend anything. I recommend you to do your own research and then to go from there. But that's really all I got for today. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gone.